Hi, this is Tin and today we'll be talking about 5 mistakes in charcoal drawing. These are my materials, just a cheap set of charcoal pencils that I bought in Shopee. This is my reference phone and I have already made my portrait outline, so without further ado, let us start. Number 1. Accuracy. Number 1 mistake in charcoal drawing is that the outlines we do is not as accurate as it can be. In past years, I am using a 1 by 1 inch grid, but I just realized that centimeter grids are way better than these large size grids. Number 2. Cleanliness. Most common reason why some people hate charcoal drawing is that they mess up the paper with blots of charcoal powder. To avoid this, my advice is to hold your pencil 2 or 3 inches away from the lid, or you can use a tissue in areas where you will put your hands on so you won't mess up. This is the number 1 factor which affects the overall look of your masterpiece. Number 3. Hard lines. Some artists thought that there is hard lines in their references when in fact it is not a hard line, but a dark shading or a shadow. Always analyze when and where you will use direct pencil, shading stumps, brushes, and tissues. Number 4. Details. Working on details takes a lot of time. If you really want to get the details right, do not ever rush. 5. Shading. Together with cleanliness, shading dictates the quality of your drawing. When I was exploring charcoal drawing, I am not shading the skin tone, believing that it is purely white. But no, even when you see white in your references, shade a little bit of charcoal in the skin tone. Alright, so that's all for today. If you wanted to learn more, hit subscribe on my channel. Thank you so much for watching.